Hey everyone, welcome to Zubair Explains, your hub for discovering powerful AI tools, practical tech tutorials, and smart ways to turn AI into income. Today we're diving into JoggAI, one of the most feature-packed AI platforms out there. It's truly an all-in-one powerhouse for content creators, because everything you need to create, script, voice, and publish videos is built right in. JoggAI is an all-in-one platform offering over 50 AI tools for creating professional quality videos using just text, prompts, or photos. Whether you're a creator, marketer, freelancer, or just someone looking to automate content with AI, this tool can seriously level up your game. Let's talk about its awesome features. With JoggAI, you can also translate your videos into any language, turn your idea into a full video or podcast, repurpose your content in multiple formats with just a few clicks. You can build realistic avatars just by describing them in text or uploading a photo. Create your own avatar in any language. It's perfect for creators who want a personal touch or need multilingual videos without showing their face. You can create high-converting video ads and studio-style product visuals in seconds. Just paste a product link or upload an image and instantly get polished videos from multiple angles in any style you want. More AI magic to level up your videos. You can create ultra-realistic videos with perfect lip sync, 100+ voice options, voice cloning, auto captions, batch creation, and even edit everything with an AI video editor, all in one place. Let's create an account. First, open the link in the description below. Click on Sign Up, then choose to sign up with your email, or just hit Continue with Google for a faster start. After that, select your preferred options and you're in. Boom! Once you've created your account, you'll instantly get 3 free credits. That's enough to create 3 to 5 full videos for free. Just below, you'll find all the powerful AI tools, from avatar creators to product ad makers, and a full avatar library ready to explore. You can choose any avatar you like, with customizable voices and languages to match your content. Now I'm going to show you a quick demo of how to use the Pro Editor tool, using an AI avatar to guide the demo, so you can experience the video quality, voice, and lip sync accuracy for yourself in real time. Hey everyone, it's Paolo. Today I'm going to introduce you to JoggAI's new professional editor and show you how to make awesome videos with custom effects. First, click the Pro Edit button to get started. At the bottom, you've got different tracks for scenes, media, avatars, TTS, and music, for a clearer view to better manage and edit your clips. On the left side, you'll see the control panel. This is where you manage everything: script, avatars, layout, text, media, and music. In the middle, there's the canvas where you can preview your video and see all the changes you make. Let's start with the script panel. Here you can add, edit, and delete scripts. You can also pick your favorite AI voice and click Render Audio to create it.
Elevate your wardrobe with timeless sophistication.
Next, in the Avatar tab, you can choose, add, replace, and delete avatars. You can also change how the avatar looks with a simple click. In the Layout panel, you can modify the scene's layout using different templates. The Text panel lets you add and edit text to make your video pop. In the Media panel, you can upload and add images or videos to your scenes. And in the Music panel, you can pick background music or choose no music if you want it silent. Now, you can click on any element you want to edit and use the Properties panel to make adjustments. For example, you can easily choose a floating avatar or a cycling view with a simple click. To adjust the elements, you can move them around, resize them, change their transparency, align them, and rearrange their order. As for the media, you can change and crop images and videos, and switch up their fill modes. You can also add entrance, exit animations, and control how long they appear on screen. Once you're happy with it, you can save the project and render the video. So, is JoggAI worth it? Yes, if you want speed, simplicity, and versatility. For freelancers, faceless YouTubers, and marketers, it's one of the most complete AI video tools of 2025. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for weekly AI breakdowns, and follow me on Instagram for daily tips.